How to see if someone has blocked you on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can see if someone has blocked you on Instagram. So first of all, let me show you an example. As you can see, this person has not yet blocked me on Instagram. So you will be able to see their profile, their following, followers, etc. And you will also be able to send them a message. So as you can see, the message has already been delivered. Now let me show you a case where someone has blocked you. So I'll simply block this account from this device. Now, as you can see, I have already blocked myself over here. So if you go over here and then try to send them a message, the message will be sent, but it will not show up over here. So if you want to check that this person has blocked you or not, all you have to do is simply go to their profile, and then if you refresh, you can see that they have 10 posts, but it is showing no posts yet. So it means that they have blocked you on Instagram. Now let's say you don't have a chat with them, and let's say you want to check if someone has blocked you on Instagram. So what you'll have to do is simply go to the search. After that, simply type in their name. Now their name will show up, so simply tap on it, and then it will say that user not found. But in reality, they have a profile right over here. So that was basically how you find out if someone has blocked you on Instagram. All you have to do is simply type in their name or simply go to their profile, and then if you notice something wrong with their profile, you can simply deduct that they have simply blocked you. So hope this video cleared your confusion. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.